Hamster Kombat daily cipher code for today, the 29th of July 2024. If you are seeing the channel for the first time, do well to subscribe to it, like the video and share it with others. The word for today is bridge, BRIDGE. So let's proceed to it. The B is the dash, dot, dot, dot. The R is dot, dash, and dot. The I is dot, dot. The D is a dash, a dot, dot. The D is dash, dot, dot. The G is dash, dash, and dot. While the E is a single dot. And that is it for today, guys. So we meet again in our next video. Endeavor to stay safe. Bye for now.